Good morning, students. Welcome to day 3 class, Unit 7 Fractions. It is second semester lessons. Already we started. Now, today we are going to discuss about equivalent fractions. Today we are going to discuss about equivalent fractions. But already equivalent fractions, how to find out, already studied in 5th standard. Already this type problems also solved all of you. Then how to find the equivalent fractions? First of all, it is equal to, we should multiply or divide the given fractions should be same number with numerator and denominator. We should multiply or divide the given fractions should be same number with numerator and denominator. Understand? Which is the given fraction? ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಈಕ್ವಿಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡು ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ denominator and numerator should be same number. For example 2 by 4, find equivalent 3 fraction. Find 2 by 4, find equivalent 3 fraction. Use this fraction. ಈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು find equivalent 3 fractions. Understand? How to find out? Exam answer 2 by 4 is equal to denominator and numerator. Above the line this is called numerator and below the line we should call denominator. Denominator and numerator should be same number. ನೀವು numerator ಅನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು denominator ಅನ್ನು same number ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. The given fraction should be bigger fraction means you should divide. Otherwise the given fraction should be smaller fraction means you should do multiplication. Understand? But here this is smaller fraction because 2 is single number, 4 also single number. 2 by 4 is the single digit number means you should do multiplication. Then how to do 2 multiplication to 4 multiplication, not 4, it is also 2 because which number you multiply numerator, that number you take and multiply also denominator. Okay, then 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. 4 by 8, one equivalent fraction. Then second one is 2 by 4 is equal to, then 2 multiplication 3, then 4 multiplication 3. Understand? Then 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. 6 by 12, another equivalent fraction. Okay, then again 2 by 4 is equal to 2 multiplication 4, 4 multiplication 4. Understand? 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16. Understand? Then 2 by 4 is equal to is equal to 2 multiplication 5, 4 multiplication 5. 5 2s are 10, 4 5s are 20. The equivalent, therefore, the equivalent fractions of 2 by 4 is 4 by 8, comma 6 by 12, comma 8 by 16, another one is 10 by 20. These are, we are calling equivalent fractions of the 2 by 4. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 2 by 4. Find the equivalent fractions of the following. Then you should divide 2 by 4. Then you have to multiply same number with the denominator and numerator should be same number, should multiply. Then you have to write the product, that should be equivalent fraction. Okay, all of you write this headline and this one also you should write, and example also write. Write down fast. My dear students, this is your exercise, not your textbook question, because do it yourself is there, because they have given 4 problems, page number 11. Page number 11, they are given this type problems. Okay, what is the given fraction? In examination also they are given this type only. Find the few equivalent fraction of each of the following. One fraction is given there already, 1 by 5, another one is 3 by 5. You have to use these fractions. ನೀವು ಈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. Then you have to find out few equivalent fraction, few equivalent fractions of each. ಒಂದೊಂದಕ್ಕೂ few equivalent fraction ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, then we are start. Okay, already all of you know 1 by 5 is the given fraction. It is right. Then you have to use this fraction. Then you have to do other equivalent fraction means, so compulsory you have to multiply 1 by 5 same number, then is equal to 1 by 5 multiplication 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Then 1 by 2 is equal to 1 into 3, 5 into 3. 3 1s are 3, 5 3s are 15. 2 are already is there. 1 by 5, 1 into 4, 5 into 4, 1 4s are 4, 5 4s are 20. Then 1 by 5 is equal to 1 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. Yes. Then 1 by 5 is equal to 1 into 6, 5 into 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5 is equal to 2 by 10, comma 3 by 15, comma 4 by 20, comma 5 by 25, comma 6 by 30. These are the equivalent fractions of 1 by 5. But you observe the equivalent fractions. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ numerator should be 1s are table and denominator should be 5s are table. Yes or no? Then you have to do it. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6. Then 5 5s are 1, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30. Yes, equivalent should be the denominator and numerator is equal to 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Then 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 3, 5 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 4, 5 into 4, 5 3s are 12, 5 4s are 20. 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5, 5 into 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Then 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 6, 5 into 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 5s are 30. Therefore, the equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 is 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20, 15 by 25, 18 by 30. These are the equivalent fractions of the given fraction. Are you understand? All of you understood? Any doubt? Any doubt means you have to send WhatsApp to sir. This question I cannot understand. You have to explain again. Then I will explain next video. Explain and I will send you. Okay? Be careful. Any doubt means you have to ask. Okay? Write down these examples. One by one you should write down one and below the second one. Okay? Write down fast. Yes, dear students, one question is given there. It is a different type of question. Different means it is easy, but you have to understand. ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು 3 or 4 times you have to read it. Find an equivalent fraction. Find an equivalent fraction of 9 by 15. So now 9 by 15. They are given 2, 3, 6. You should find. They are not given. You should only find how much possible. That much you should find. 9 by 15 having denominator 5. ನೀ equivalent fraction ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Another one, that fraction denominator should be 5. Okay. Then you have to write here answer. Here 9 by 15. Yes or no? But 9 by 15 is bigger number, bigger fraction. Then what is the rule? When we are finding the equivalent fractions, there are two methods are there. One is multiplication, another one is division. Okay. But here denominator 5 is there. Okay. Denominator is already given. Yes or no? Denominator is already given there. Yes or no? Denominator is already given. But which table has 15? Sir, 5 table has 5 3s are 15, but there 5 is there. Then sir, 3s are table have sir, but 9 and 15 have which table? Sir, 3s are table. Then you have to divide. Divided by 3. Divided by 3. Yes or no? 3s are table have 15. Yes, you should count it. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 5s are 5 is there. Denominator is 5. Yes, it is right. Then 3 1s are 3 3s are. Then it should be 3 by 15. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Then fraction is 3 by 5. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 5 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 5 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು, ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಅದರ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 3 table have 9, 9, 15 also. That's why we took 3 by 3. Then 3 1s are 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. That 3 is coming here, and 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. That 5 is coming here. Then the equivalent fraction of 9 by 15 is 3 by 5. The equivalent fraction of 9 by 15 is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Okay. Write down this question. Write down this answer should be right. Yes. Another one, that type question is there. Okay. Find the equivalent fraction of 15 by 35 with denominator 7. This is the given question, given textbook question is there. This is also. Find the equivalent fraction of 15 by 35 with denominator 7. Yes or no? Denominator should be 7 is there. Then you have to find the equivalent fractions. But already given their answer 15 by 35. Already I told denominator is given there. Denominator is given there. What is the denominator? Should be 7 is there. Okay. One thing is clear. The denominator is given. Denominator should be smaller than given fraction. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಈ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಈಕ್ವಿಲೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 15 and 35 have which table? You should find out. Sir, 15 and 35 have which table? Sir, 3s are table not, 4s are not, 5s are. Yes, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35. Then divided 5 because denominator and numerator should be divide same table. That same table is 5s are table. Then 5 5s are 5 7s are 35 and 5 1s are 5 3s are. Then 3 by 7. Numerator is 7. 3 by 7. The equivalent fraction of 15 by 35 is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is the equivalent fraction. Okay. Any doubts? You should write down this one. Next headline, simplest form of fraction. Simplest form. Another name is lowest form. The another name is cancellation Is it right? 2 by 4. And 2 and 4 have which table? Sir, 2's are table, sir. Then you have to write this time 2 1's are 2 2's are. Then 1 by 2 is the simplest part. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೆನಪಿಡುತ್ತಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇದಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. 2's are table ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತು 4 ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು 2 1's are 2 2 2's are 4. Then 1 by 2 is coming. But 1 and 2 have which table? 1's are table, sir. Then 1 1's are 1 1 2's are 2. The same answer is coming there. Then you have to stop there only. अब ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. Another example 2 6 by 18 is there. Okay, 6 and 18 have which table? Sir, 3's are table have, sir. Then you have to write 3 1's are 3 3 2's are 3 2's are 6 3 1's are 3 3 2's are 6 3 3's are 9 3 4's are 12 3 5's are 15 3 6's are 18 3 6's are 18. Then 2 by 6 is answer. Then 2 and 6 have which table? You should count it. Sir, 2 and 6 have same table or not? Same table not means you should stop there only, but same table means you should divide. Yes, sir. 2's are table have, sir. 2 1's are 2 3's are. Then answer is 1 by 3. The simplest form of 6 by 18 is 1 by 3. The lowest form of 6 by 18 is 1 by 3. This much only answer. Next another one. 9 by 27. 9 and 27 have which table? Sir, 9's are table have, sir. 9 1's are 9 9 2's are 18 9 3's are 27 9 1's are 9 3's are 1 by 3. This much only answer. This is the lowest form of the given fraction. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಲೋವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. Yes, exercise 7.3. Exercise 7.3, page number 14. Page number 14. There given some problems are there. Exercise 7.3, page number 14. All of you open fast. Open fast, all of you. Open it. Then you have to write down. First there, what is given there? Write the fractions. Are all these fractions equivalent or not? I will show you first one only. Then afterwards B you have to write. A, what is given there? One whole figure, then divided this one and this is selected part. Then one whole figure, they are divided 4 parts and selected 2 parts. Then one whole figure, they are divided how many parts? 6 parts. Okay. Okay. Then they are selected 3 parts. Yes. Then they are divided equally 8 parts. Then they are divided equally 8 parts. They are selected 4 parts. First of all, you should write this one in fraction. Okay. Here, one whole part. Then they are divided how many parts? 2 parts. 2 is the denominator and selected part 1. 1 is the numerator. Okay. Then here divided how many parts equal? 4 parts. 4 is the denominator and 2 selected parts numerator. And how many divided there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 parts are there, selected only 3 parts. And here divided total 8 parts and here selected 4 parts. Okay. Then you have to do it. Already I told you one time, you should observe the given fractions. Here 1 2 3 4 and here 2 4 6 8 is there. Then it is 1's are table. 1 1's are 1 1 2's are 2 1 3's are 3 1 4's are 4 2 2 2 1's are 2 2 2's are 4 2 3's are 6 2 4's are 4 2 4's are 8. These are all equivalent fractions. Yes, these are equivalent fractions. Understand ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಇದು 2's ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಇದು 1's ಟೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಂದ್ರೆ equivalent fraction ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅವು ಸೇಮ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಗಳು ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಗಳು ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವು ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ replace square box in each of the following by the correct number. Here 2's are table have 8, 2 1's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 4's are 8 and 7 4's are how much you should write here. ನೀವು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 here 7 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. Then you have to write here correct number means 2 4's are 8 then 7 4's are 28. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ which number is going to multiply numerator, same number you have to multiply denominators. Understand? Okay. Then same here are given A B C D E problems are there. A solved and remaining you have to solve and find the equivalent fractions of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆನು. 3 by 5 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಆ 3 by 5 ಇದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 20 ಇದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 20 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 5 4's are then 3 4's are 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ 9 ಇದೆ, 3 3's are 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 3 3's are 9 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 3's are 15 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆ ನೀವು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Find the equivalent fractions of 36 by 58 with numerator is 9 and denominator is 4. It is division method ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬಿಗ್ಗರ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚೆಕ್ whether given fractions are equivalent or not. This one I will show you. Check whether the given fraction equivalent or not. Which one? B1 I will solve 3 by 10 and 12 by 50. These given fractions, two fractions are there. These are equivalent or not? We should find out. How to find out? We should do one thing. Right here, 3 by 10, then 50 by 12. Do it here cross multiplication. Do it cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. Nodri, now the given fractions are equivalent or not, we should finding means we should do cross multiplication. Then 53's are 150 divided by 10 12 10's are 120. Product is different. Product is different. Nodri, now cross multiplication ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ product should be same means that is equivalent fraction. Product is different means 3 by 10 and 12 by 50 are not equivalent fractions. Not equivalent fractions because that product is different. That product is different. ನೆನಪಿಳಿತೈತಿ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆಕ್ ವೆದರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ this one also